guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing our November OwlCrate unboxing. I'm so excited to unbox this month. I am loving getting the OwlCrates again back in my life. It's been one of my favorite things, so I hope you guys are enjoying the unboxings as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this month's box. All right, so it looks like right here on the top, of course, you have your little art piece that matches the the little info card for the month. This is a really beautiful, I love this style of art painting with this girl kind of nymph with the birds and the fruit and the trees. It's just giving me very magical woodsy vibes, which I'm a huge fan of. And the theme for this month was growing wild. This, of course, is the spoiler card, which we're not going to look at until later. All right, moving into the actual items in the box. The first thing we have here on top is a very large OwlCrate box. Inside we have a flower press used to dry and preserve lovely floral pieces and leaves. That's really cool. Oh wow, okay, cool. Look at that. Wait, hang on. Hold on. Okay, so it comes with these two wood pieces, and then it's got the OwlCrate logo on the back. That's super cool. So you use it to just squish your stuff together to lay them all flat. That's really cool. I love that. That actually makes me think of my grandma, because my grandma used to love pressing flowers. So that's really cool. Love that. And this was also designed by Paper Mint Lines. Okay, next we have some really cute garden type stickers. These are called Pip Stickers by Pip Sticks, and these are really cute, again, floral not winter, but woodsy type mushrooms and flowers and birds and butterflies. That's super cute. I really love that style. I am a huge sucker for stickers, so this is super cute. Okay, next we have a little info card, and it looks like this is for the Tales from Hinterland by Melissa Albert that's coming out in January. And I think this is just an info sneak peek that's letting you know what's coming from it. So that's really cool. Interesting design. Oh, okay, so this is really cool. So the next thing in here is a reading planner for 2021, and this is, or just I guess a blank one. This is so cool. It comes with reading schedules and review pages. This is super cute. I love keeping track of my reading throughout the year, and I think this will definitely come in handy. I think this is fantastic. Okay, next we have a brown envelope with nothing on it, and inside is a really cute, oh, super cute. I think these are cards. Look at this. This is floral, postcard type with all these different types of flowers on them. That's so cool. Look how pretty these are. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's so cool. Awesome. That's so different. I love that they've really started branching out in the types of products that they send with their boxes. It's really cool to see what kind of stuff they can come up with. And last two things we have in the box, of course, we have the beautiful pin for this month, which looks like it's a bear with some flower designs on it. Super cute. Love that. Very pretty. And the last thing is you took the truth and you made it into flowers in this little box. And it is a, oh wow, it's a necklace with little, can you guys even see, dandelion seeds on it? That's so cool. Very interesting. I like that. It's different, but I like it. Huh, okay. Cool, loves that. The box itself even is really cute. I'd keep it just for the box. Okay, and of course, what we're all here for, the book for this month is Among the Beasts and Briars, and look at this cover. And it's got sprayed edges. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll be honest, I know literally next to nothing about this. It is by Ashley Poston, who I believe I've read from before. I'm not entirely sure, but I think this one is, oh, what is this one about? The forest took everything from her, now it's her only hope. I want to say it's a retelling. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna look it up after this video, obviously, but this is a beautiful book and it's very giving me so many fall and winter vibes. I'm very excited about this. Love it. All right, friends, that is everything for this November OwlCrate unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm very excited about the stuff in this box this month. It's very unique, very fun stuff, and totally speaks to my very woodsy vibe of myself. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!